Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back for another day, another dollar. Guess what? Check this out. That fucking channel that we talked about yesterday, we talked about it Friday, we talked about it Thursday last week, talked about it Wednesday last week. Well, look at the channel. Right now, in the middle of that channel, the last time we opened up at the middle of the channel, I don't even think we've had that. We've always kind of, we've been opening up at the either the low or the high of that channel. Right now, we're in the middle of the channel, so market's got to make a decision here. Do we push above the 21,000s here today? Do we push back to the bottom? We got the gap fill. We did gap up from yesterday's close. Yesterday's close here at the 20,888. That's right. 20,888 is where we closed at yesterday. We can see the overnight move. We had a dip. We popped back up, took out yesterday's low of day, and then ended up pushing up there, getting back above yesterday's close. So a bit of a wild overnight move, down, up, and then back up again. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, baby. At least we know one thing, that there's clearly a channel that has been very consistently being respected here for the last few weeks, or last week or so. We know that, all right? We know that. Right now, looking 15-minute chart, we're holding up here 21 EMA, a little bit of a bull flag. If we get above this 50 area, 950s or so, well, then I think it's good to go, if you know what I mean. Right. Pushing above the 50s already. These little wicks there, 55, 54s, acting as resistance for now. So that 15-minute chart, if we get above this 50 area, we've got yesterday's high up there at the 21,000s. That also kind of puts us to the top of that channel as well. And there's the push through this resistance there, 53, 55s. We still got plenty of time here till the market opens. 25 minutes. Looking at the ES, looking at the Dow, everything's kind of, like I said, lining up with this channel right now. Got the dollar squeezing back up here a little bit as well. A little push on the dollar. Nasdaq trying to push that 60 area to get through there. How high can she go? $1 million question, right? You can see how it was kind of curling there on the 21 EMA, putting in those higher lows, and then that breakout through these highs, and now up there to the 60s. If we look at the bigger time frames, kind of push through that hourly candle high there at the 60s already, kind of looking like 21,000 seems pretty realistic if this 1 hour candle wants to continue up to some resistance. That 21,000 pivot point there at the 42s. We'll see. The Dow is nowhere near the overnight high. You're right about that. I see that. Bitcoin pulling back. Bitcoin down to 91,000. Fucking ICT had to jinx everybody, right? ICT posted on Saturday that Bitcoin was gonna break through 100,000 on Saturday, and ever since it's only went down. I swear to God, you can't even make this shit up. Literally, you can't even make this shit up, man. If you look at the daily chart, this is a fucking joke. So what? Monday, Sunday, Saturday. When Bitcoin was right here, Saturday at 99,000, ICT said that Bitcoin was gonna break through 100,000. And then just pulls back literally from there. And right now down about 7%. So I am still long Bitcoin, Solana. I'm long from like 60 something, like from where we broke out. I don't really have any reason to take profit or to sell, just kind of letting it ride. He said it, but he didn't say when. No. He said exactly when. He said Saturday night before we go to bed, it's gonna break through 100,000. He literally said exactly that. So, yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. It's literally, he said exactly the date, the time. Before you go to sleep on the West Coast, Bitcoin will likely deliver 100,000. Oh, God. Damn you, ICT. Damn you. Damn you. Why did you have to talk? Why? You motherfucker. Patrick, you're secretly watching him. Not really. But thanks for wondering. Also, we got a big deal going on. Check out the we got the Prop Firm Awards. 2024 Prop Firm Awards happening on onlypropfirms.com. Cast your vote. We got the best prop firm of 2024 on the list as one of them. What else we got on there? We've got the best new firm, Fast Track. Definitely Fast Track on there. We've got the best live stream. Obviously got to vote for myself. Let's be honest. We all know who the best is. Who's the top influencer? Obviously Patrick Wieland. The biggest fail of 2024 has to go to ICT 100%. If you guys want to vote, it's free to vote. Let me know what you guys think. Who's the top dog? What is the biggest fail of 2024? ICT Bitcoin prediction or ICT Robbins Cup disaster? Gonna have to vote for Robbins Cup disaster. And a new award this year. I'm actually putting up $5,000 for this award. I'm putting up $5,000 of my own money to award the top micro influencer of 2024. Top 24. So we got Nutty Bar, we got Rips, we got Brian Stonk, we got Dodgies, Coach Dakota, and Alpine Trader. You know, I kind of already gave money to Nutty Bar, so I would love to see Alpine Trader win. So I'm going to vote for Alpine Trader there. So check it out. Get your votes in. Let me know. This is for prop firms, for the futures prop firms, not for future FX or anything like that. Nasdaq still pushing here. What a move. What a move. Oh, God. Ah! Nasdaq up there to the 970s now. Like we said, we're looking in there at the 950 breakout. I know it's still pre-market, but it just looked too good to not take that trade. I took it in the XFA account. I really don't care what happens with that account, but thought I might as well try to make some money on that move there. And you can see right now, Up there to the 970s. We got 2 contracts left. Took 5 contracts there for the breakout through the 50s, and now up there to the 73s. I'll maybe lock in a little bit more here for another 20 points, and then we got one more runner to go. And we'll just put that runner stop down there below this breakout. Let's see if we get that push. 21,000 here today. I'm gonna move this target up a little bit. Let it ride. So right now, Nasdaq breaking out. This is a very kind of nice little setup with the fact that we had that kind of flat top. This is a textbook Patrick Wieland course setup here, talking about this kind of when we get this resistance, right? We get this resistance there like that. It's just kind of like it's an invitation. It's an invitation to go higher or to break out through that level, right? Because everybody's got their stop losses. Like if you're shorting here, you're shorting here, you're shorting here, like your stop loss is sitting right there. At least, you know, the amateurs. The amateurs, that's where they put their stop loss at. And that's why we get this breakout continuation right there. So we'll see. Oh, buddy. Will we get there to the 78s now? Got filled there at 78s. Ugh. And then I'm gonna just put this last target above 21,000. We'll go for like 21,020. Kind of, I'll show you why I think we could get there here today. We might pull back first, but in general, if we look bigger time frame on the hourly chart, right? Hourly chart, you can see yesterday's high all the way up there to the 21,080 area. We've got a pivot point here on the hourly chart, 21,042s. And then if we zoom out a little bit more, we've got that pivot point right there, 21,047. So that's kind of the play here. Especially if you look at the chart right now, that big 15-minute candle from yesterday, that drop candle at 9:45, we took that big move down and now kind of pushing back up into that candle. So breakthrough 21,000, I think, puts us up there above this 21,000 here at open. So I got 15 minutes here till the market opens. I think we got some numbers today as well. We got numbers. We've got the consumer confidence number, which will be a pretty big number at 10 o'clock. We've got new home sales at 10 o'clock. We've got Richmond services manufacturing. We got a lot. And then we've got FOMC meeting minutes as well today. So a lot of news on the book. We'll see how she plays. Jing, are you going long or short? Jing. Is that a real question or is that just like a fake question? Are you trolling me? Currently I'm long. But, you know. How do I feel about Take Profit Trader? I feel like they pay out. They pay out. So I think that's the biggest qualification these days for a prop firm is paying out. Will they pay out? Right now, we've got the course, right? We got the course going on. If you guys have not checked this out, we've, well, we got a big bundle, right? We got a big bundle. Got the book coming out. We got a 4-hour webinar in December and everything. We're not doing a sale, but we're adding more value. If you've already bought the course, don't worry. We're going to upload the book to the course itself, so you'll be able to read the book if you want. If you don't, that's totally fine. But we're launching the new book. We got the the course. We got some more content coming. We got a 4-hour webinar that we'll do where it'll be only people who bought the course who can ask questions, and we can talk for like 4 fucking hours and just get crazy. So just sitting back here. I took some profit on this push up towards the 80s, long from the 50s. So kind of just seeing if this last runner is gonna pay or if we get stopped out down here back on the pullback before open. So what broker would you recommend for a live account to trade 6 figures? Check out Optimus Futures. Hit them up. I'm looking forward to the holidays. I'm gonna take I think I'll probably take like 2 weeks off in December just to focus on the new warehouse and getting new stuff set up and get ready for the new year. How much did you make today? Well, right now we're up $1,700. The day is not even begun yet. Patrick, since you bought the Lambo, do you still get hyped to drive it? Every fucking time. The biggest smile on my face. It puts a smile on your face. You know, I don't care what anyone says. It'll fucking turn your frown upside down. Also, on Sunday, we're going, there's a car show in Wellington, South Florida, up near West Palm. They're doing a big toy drive. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna load up the truck. I'm gonna load up the monster truck with toys and then take it to the car show to give out a bunch of toys. God damn it, I knew this would happen. This is why I hate leaving on runners. Because it's just guaranteed to pull back, stop me out here. No, like, people always say, Patrick, why don't you leave runners? So I'm like, well, because of that exact reason. Because of that fucking reason. Will you ever do a full in-person or in-live, online, in-depth course? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see what happens with the new warehouse. I think it gives us an opportunity to do some new cool stuff, so we'll have to see how she goes. If you're just now tuning in, check out the channel here right now. We got that 1 hour channel. The market just respecting that channel. We pushed up here above this kind of 950 area. The market had to pull back just to stop me out. You know that. Watch this be the bottom of this move, and then it's gonna rip up 100 points. Just watch. Just fucking watch it. Classic bullshit. That channel is one massive bear flag. I mean, you're not wrong, but we have just been kind of stuck in this channel now. We'll see how she goes. AJ, they grew up so fast. I know, man. My 12-year-old, he's like a little person. He's pretty fucking. It's impressive what the things that come out of his mouth these days. We were talking about Black Friday deals, and he was like, "Man, problem with Black Friday deals is most of the crap you don't even actually need." I'm like, "Well, that is a very valid fact, my friend." So Any updates on Rip's case? I don't know, waiting. I told his lawyers they could go suck my dick. And I guess I'll have to wait to see if they file a lawsuit or not. The emails and the cease and desist have run their course, and now it's to see if they're gonna actually file a lawsuit. But again, just kind of proves that Rips is a big ass bitch. I mean, anybody that sends a cease and desist is a bitch in my book. So I told Rips he could buy the domain that I own if he wants. You know, I'd sell it to him, but I guess he'd rather just spend a bunch of money on lawyers and look like a bitch. I don't know. You know, hey, bitches be bitchin'. Amanda. Black Friday, get free stuff. Yeah, I've never knew about that one. Nasdaq just pulling on back here after breaking out there, pulling back 950s again. But you don't sell anything on that website. I don't sell anything on the website. I'm actually gonna launch a apparel website. I do apparel. I'm gonna launch an apparel company on marketclubhouse.com. I think it's a very you know, good business to launch right now. Are you a surfer or a day trader? I try to do both. I try to do both, man. Surfing the waves, baby. Surfing the waves. Apparel? No, nothing to do with trading. It'll just be apparel in general, nothing to do with trading, something different. You should surf while trading. Okay, yeah, let's just focus on trading first and then we'll worry about the surfing. How about that? Nasdaq dipping. Apparel with men with big balls. That's gonna be my new store. That's my new apparel idea. I'm gonna make shorts for men that have very large balls like myself. You know, it's uncomfortable to wear normal size shorts because my balls are so big. So I think there's a market for it, you know? I don't think Rips will be buying any underwear from me because he buys whitey tighties, I'm sure, for his little tiny balls. Personally, I don't wear underwear personally, but you know, hey, whatever you're into. Are you trading micros or regular? I'm trading regular. Do I look like a bitch? Trading micros. LOL. Would ICT buy my underwear? No, he buys women underwear for his vagina. Gotta protect that vagina. Will you have pants for men with normal balls? No, only big balls, sorry. Bro, last year you were trading micros. Okay, yeah. I don't know what to tell you. Last year I traded micros. Wow. Good story. Welcome to 2024 now. You know, last year Kamala Harris was gonna be the vice president and people loved her, and now in 2024 she's literally just nothing. So I guess hey, times change. It's big ball apparel, not regular ball apparel. Correct. We got big balls only. Big balls only apparel. I got an email just now. The subject of the email says, "Your girl's a hoe. Unblock me, fuckboy." Yeah. Sounds good, bro. I always love getting emails from my fans. And my favorite, it's always fun to get emails from my fans out there. Just so supportive. Just want to thank everybody. The best is this is the guy. There he is. I'm a fuckboy. This guy's wearing a hoodie, taking a selfie. There he is. Look at him. Your girl's a hoe. Cool, dude. Sick. All right, we're getting ready for the market open here. We're getting ready for the market open. We got less than a minute here now. Oh, let's see what happens. We got a pivot point right there, 913s. You got the VWAP. We got the close. Yesterday's close down there, 880s. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to take out the, kind of fill that gap right away here and then rip back up. Let's see what happens. It's time to party either way. You know what that means. Put on your big ball pants. That's right. There we go. Market is open. The market is open for business. Place your bets. Right now, the 21 EMA holding us down here. We're 30 seconds into the market open. There's no rush, people. It's all good. We can just sit back here and be patient for a minute. All right, pushing straight up here through the 50s now. Boner candle, trying to boner. Got this high from earlier there at the 979s and then 21,000 up there next. This is the first 2-minute candle of the market open right now. Get up there through that 80 area. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. Free to like. They want to run this high. They want to run that high. Come on. Up there through the 80s. I told you this was gonna I told you the fucking market was gonna pull back. stop me out and then go to the moon. Classic. That last runner always happens. Fuck you, runner. All right, we need a little bull flag to form here. You know, get a little bull flaggy, hold it up there at the 21 maybe. Would be ideal. If you look on the bigger time frames, my pivot points are not working for some reason. Trading view is lagging because all of the people. There's a pivot point right there, 21,049. Look at the 15-minute chart. Breaking out of these two highs on the 15-minute chart now. So we kind of look for continuation now through the 21,000s. It's got to get through. And then that pivot point up there, 47s. Got that 21 EMA there at the 50s. The Dow's pulling back. Nvidia's pushing straight up here. Remember, we got those numbers today. 10 o'clock numbers coming out. Very big numbers. I don't know if they're important, but they're big numbers. So... big numbers. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 382 likes. Come on now, blow it up. Need to reach out, get through this 21. Get through that 21, take it up there to the 25s, up there to the pivot point today. Reach out. And we do have on that hourly chart, like I said, we've got that big channel that we've been respecting. That puts us all the way up there to 21,120 if we kind of push up yesterday's high up there at the 81s next. No real like meaningful pullback here yet. 21,000 just wants to go. Are you looking for shorts or longs? I'm looking for... come on, people. That's not even a real question. I'm long. Are you kidding me? Why would I be short here? I'm long, long, long! Brr, 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 brr. Why does your pivot point show different levels than mine? Don't know. Sounds like a personal problem. I am long from 49s right now, looking for a push up through 21,000. We got back above the EMA here, bought a little bit of the dip, and then rode this rip up there to the 21,000s. We're trading the 2-minute chart right now. 2-minute chart, there's a fucking 2 on the chart right here. Look at that 2. Well, that means the time frame. Little pullback here. 21 EMA there at the 57s. Pivot point does not change between the 2-minute and the 15-minute chart. You can see on the 15-minute chart, 21,046. 21,046 for the 2-minute chart. It does not change. Wieland said to go long and it went down. Yep. It's plummeting right now. The market is plummeting. Watch out, everybody. These fucking idiots. It's plummeting. Look at the market. It's going straight down. Oh my God. We gotta... Somebody call somebody. Somebody call somebody. Somebody call them. Somebody call them. Break it through 21,000. Somebody call them. Tapping on 21. We broke through 21. I think we got to get a little bit more push above 21 here, right? Just a little bit more push here. I don't like how the Dow's go. Why does the Dow go? The Dow is going straight down. Why? Why is the Dow going down? But we've seen the Dow go straight up while the Nasdaq goes straight down, so. ASRM Blake, should you start on Forex or futures with less than $1,000? Neither. If I was you, I would just don't trade. If you only have $1,000 to start, just keep working. You know, keep doing, just get a normal job. Don't be a day trader, honestly. Nasdaq pushed up there above 21,000, pulling back here again. Trouble. I'm just being honest though, like $1,000, you might as well just quit. There's no point in trying. Yeah, buy Tory Trade's course. Patrick, do you think that people could flip $1,000 into $2,000? I mean, maybe. Do I think that Blake can? I don't think so. You told us last week that you started with less than 1,000. Yeah. And again, I'm telling you the truth. I said, hey, the guy in the chat is telling me he has $1,000 to if he should trade Forex or if he should trade futures. And I said, don't even try either. Just keep working. Keep trading demo. Keep trading, you know, like you're gonna waste your fucking money. God. I mean, he didn't ask anything about buying a prop firm. He said, should I start trading Forex or should I start trading fucking futures? At no point in that question did he say, oh, I want to sign up for a prop firm. So I answered his question exactly how he asked it. Like, why is the chat on my dick right now about the fact, like, Patrick, why didn't you should tell him to buy a prop firm account. Patrick, why don't you tell him to do this? Patrick, do this. Like, I'm just being honest. God. No bueno on the Nasdaq right now. Not looking too hot with the Dow and everything else dumping down here, so we'll see what happens. No bueno. We start reversing here. Got Nvidia pulling back. We lose that 21 EMA. We're gonna go straight fucking downtown here. Try to fill that gap possibly down there. 880s. Right now, 21 EMA holding up support there for now. Nvidia's moving down pretty quick. Just broke through the opening low so far. Straight ripper off the 21 right there. Just a straight ripper off the 21 EMA there. We got a lot of numbers coming out here at 10 o'clock. So I don't know if the market's just waiting for those numbers or what, but let's just be patient. The Dow's sitting down there at the lows. Nvidia's moving down. Dollar's trying to push up. Are you going to the Cars and Coffee this weekend in West Palm Beach? Correct. I think it's at the Wellington Mall, but not the normal place, or I don't know. You can see if we lose this 60 area, it's a very quick move down. So right now, that's a scary spot right there when you have like these two wicks just sitting there, that bottom of those two candles at the 60s. It's got to like drive straight off there, or it's just a fucking perfect spot to take out some stops. Got the 15-minute range coming up here as well. Back up there towards that 21,000 again. If we take out 21,000, we'll see if we squeeze straight up, obviously. Pushing through the 21,000s for now. Nvidia turned back up. ES is pushing back up. We got all those numbers coming out here. We're trying to break out of the 15-minute range. We broke out of the 15-minute range, a little pullback there. The next level is that 46s. Nvidia right now sitting right below the VWAP. Pat, I thought you said no Black Friday sale. Well, good thing there's no Black Friday sale. It's a bundle of stuff that's coming. The book and a webinar. Same price. Don't worry. Looking for this push to get through that 10 area. See if we can't rip up there to that pivot point next. Up there through the 10s. Oh, 20s. Will she go through the 20s? Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Up there through the 20s. Living the Grumpy Life said he's been passing evaluations so fast since he bought the course, he can't afford to activate them. Well, that's a good problem to have. All right, that pivot point up there at the 48s. Will we reach all the way out there? We got less than 9 minutes until the 10 o'clock numbers. People in the chat that are wondering if I got long, buy the course, you would know exactly where I got long at right now. I'm up. I'm up. Little uncertainty until these numbers come out, I guess. Kind of doing what it did yesterday, just kind of like chopping her out here. Nasdaq back to the 21 EMA again. Nvidia just turned down pretty hard, so wait for these numbers to come out. Ugh. Nasdaq again, reaching out to that 60 level. This is kind of where we were worried about it breaking through 60s again, or breaking through 60s there. VWAP's down there at the 919s. Nvidia's pulling back pretty hard. Just made a new low on Nvidia. If they lose this 60 area, VWAP next. Four minutes until the news comes out here. Testing that 60s. Be very surprised if we don't break through 60 here. Like that right there. Broke through the 60s. Ten o'clock news coming up here. These 15-minute candles just look. Less than about a minute until these numbers come out. $40 seconds till the numbers. Right there at the 21 EMA. You got the gap fill, or yesterday's close, still sitting down there at the 880s. Five, four, three, two, and one. The numbers are out. Good Lord. The volatility, baby. Got some volatility here today. We got down there pretty close to the VWAP. There should be no delay. Everybody thinks there's a delay on the stream. It's not me, it's you. Look at the clock down below. I don't put a delay on the stream. It's just up to you guys. Make sure you refresh your internet. Dollar pulling back. Nasdaq right here at the 21 EMA. Kind of got this little like 2-minute news candle here, the range now, to see what happens. Holding up there at the 50s for a Dow. Both the ES, the Nasdaq, everything kind of just holding here after this news came out, so. Stuck there at the 21 EMA again. See if these bulls are going to want to push back above. Then we try to take out this little like 95 high on that news candle. Just to make it fun for everybody. You know, just make it fun for everybody here. I think if we get through 85s, we take out, go try to push out there to 21,000s next. Let's see. Get through 85s, try to get through 21,000s. Watching that 85 level here. 85, 86s. Kind of the high on that candle, 86. So 86s would be a breakout here. And then that pivot point up there, 21,048. Nvidia is trying to push back up. ES is kind of just sitting right in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Dow still moving down. 21 EMA right there. Here comes the 8, trying to push the 80s again. Still have not broken out through the 86s there. You can see how tight it's getting. Getting real tight here, 86s. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. Wee. Nasdaq, you just stuck here below the 86s for now. We're looking for a breakout through that 86 level and then try to get that move up there through the 21,000s next. Just looking very tight right now. Look at this thing. Decision time. Obviously, if we lose this support here at the 60s, I think that, well, we got that pivot point down there, 900, 912s. Market very tight here. Something's gonna happen. Looking for this 86 breakout. All right, back to the through the 60s, trying to get pushed through that 60 area again. Losing that lost that 60 port right down there to the 50s. VWAP down here at the 22s now. The Dow just continues moving down. Nasdaq is just absolutely going nowhere right now. Hard to make money when the market's not moving. You know, give me those 100-point candles. Where are the 100-point candles when you need them? Nvidia is moving down. Nasdaq just refuses to get away from the 60 level for now. Refusing. Nvidia trying to make new lows. If Nvidia starts making new lows, I don't see how the Nasdaq doesn't want to make a new low here. Nvidia holding on for dear life over there. I hate this market. I hate it. FOMC at 2 o'clock today. Again, testing. 20 watt EMA. If we get through like 75, let's see if we run that 85. It's like every direction we go, we just kind of get stuck. No movement. Just want one, like, we just gotta just get one expansion, you know? One good move. One good move here through the 75s now. It just can't happen. Look at that, right up there to the 75, 76s. Stuck again. Market's got something wrong with it. Right back to the 60s again. The market broken. I think somebody called the Nasdaq. It broken. You would think it wants to just break through 60s and try to move down here. Oh my lord. Do something, Nasdaq. Just do something already. FOMC minutes today. I don't. Finally making that move down. We got there to the VWAP. FOMC minutes, it says today. Am I reading the wrong day? Tuesday, November 26th. FOMC minutes. Am I wrong? Yeah, it's today. Why is everybody coming at me? Why is everybody always got? I'm reading it right off the fucking internet. I'm reading it. All right, I mean, fuck. This wants to go down, right? Like, it's got to sell down. Like, it just, like, it's got to fucking go already. Like, come on, like. There's no way we're gonna bounce at the VWAP, right? There's no way. There's no fucking way. There's just no way. Pivot point down there at the 914s. Just stuck at the VWAP for now. I hate this market. I hate you, Nasdaq. I hate you. VWAP holding up here. Nasdaq off the VWAP, back up again. The dollar just broke out, went straight up. And again, the Nasdaq back down here. Nvidia trying to push, but we're going nowhere. So I'm just sitting back, waiting and watching for something good to happen. Getting a bit of a bear flag kind of forming here, pushing back up to that 21 EMA. VWAP holding up support there again at the 30s. You gotta lose that VWAP here. Nasdaq can move on down there to the 880s next. You got the Dow making new lows. Just got to get through the VWAP. That 920 area holding us up here. Get through 920s. See if we just swipe right through that pivot point down there, but impressive. Impressive. Just sitting there at the VWAP. Holidays. Got the dollar going straight up right now. The Dow's making new lows. The ES is making new lows. Nasdaq just wants to make it as hard as possible here. Fucking A. What a joke. Nasdaq again up off the VWAP. It's wild. ES, everything just ripped back up here. Except for Nvidia. Look at that. Again, off of the VWAP, back up through the 20 watt EMA. Right up there through the 21 EMA again. Right. Possibly back down here. Let's see. It can't chop all day, can it? Can it? Can it? Possibly. Fuck. Someone in the chat said, Patrick, don't get short. Okay. I'm in. All in long. Thanks, chat. Terrible price action right now. $15-minute chart today. It's all over the place. I mean, there's just like not one time frame that looks good right now. Now this move right back down again. I mean, the fucking market, the Dow is making new lows. Everything is just looking bad, but Nasdaq just don't want to go down today. Nvidia again making new lows, start trying to make new lows here. Back below the 20-watt EMA again. This is wild. Wild! Water's flat today. Don't paddle out. Don't go surfing today, boys. Not the day to do it. The market don't want to give you a good wave. It's the algorithm, man. The market makers. The market makers. They're watching the live stream. Dude, what is happening right now with this market? Again, holding up here the 20-watt EMA. I mean, is this gonna be just a big old bull flag consolidation? The 15-minute chart is so sexy right now. Shee. Just kind of hanging out. Up there into the 80s now. The bulls have just been loading up off the VWAP. Anybody long from the VWAP still? 15-minute chart breaking out there through that 70 level now, up there to the 86s. Drago making trades today. Let's go. All right, we need like a little bull flag here. Get a little bull flag, you know, a little pullback one more time. 21 EMA, 21 EMA there. Any discount on the course? Yeah, for Black Friday, we're doing a Black Friday deal. The Black Friday Mega Bundle. If you guys haven't hit that like button, it's 755 likes. Get 1,000 likes here. Let's go. Nasdaq just ripping here now. We got back above the 21 EMA. We broke out of this bull flag, or this little flag right here. Up there to the 93s now. She's stretching her legs right now, running. Nasdaq wants that 21,000. Dollars dumping back down. The Dow's finally pushing. ES pushed back up really strong. Kind of wait for that next setup here. The 1 minute chart now. 21 EMA down there at the 970s. Hollywood 07. Email info@onlypropfirms.com. Back to the 970s again. Good Lord. Good Lord. Back to the... See what happens here at that 21 EMA. The QQQ got back above the VWAP for a minute. For a minute there. Got this little like trend line right now. Loses that, we go back to the VWAP again. VWAP down there, 930s. Patrick, why don't you just scalp? I don't know. Why don't you just scalp? Maybe here at 11 o'clock, at 11 o'clock, we get a little move, maybe? Some kind of better price action after 11 sometimes. Oh my good lord. No trend, no trade. The ES is like trying to break out again here, like trying to push up. Nasdaq's just like sitting here at the 70s. Kind of hold this like little trendy thing. I don't know. There will be no discount on the course for Black Friday. No discount. But you get all the fun stuff. Mega bundle for only $199. $199. She's a chopper. Bro. It's a joke. It's a joke. Look at this candle. Are you holding right now? No, I'm not in. Fuck the fuck. $11 o'clock. The ES just trying to like push to the opening high, or at least the high of day on the ES right now. Oh, God. Well, I'm about to be over it, so just not really any reason to keep sitting here. Look at the 15-minute chart right now. Once I leave, I know it'll break out. Well, you telling me something I don't know. You telling me something I don't already know. You telling me something that I don't know. Needs to make a move here. I mean, the ES is like breaking out on the 15-minute chart, kind of pushing up towards the high of day, the 27s. Nvidia just pushing back up. Dollars making new highs. There's not much going on here. Shake the magic 8 ball. Will the Nasdaq break through 21,000? No. Magic 8 ball said no. The magic 8 ball said no. Chavista, is Friday? Yeah, I mean, Friday's like a short day. I don't know. I'll probably live stream just because I got nothing else to do, but I wouldn't get too excited for price action probably tomorrow and Friday before the holiday. If this is any bit, if this is a precursor, but I guess really it's about the FOMC meeting minutes. There is no discount on the course. People asking, there is no discount. It's $199. Like, what do you want me to do? Give it away? I mean, if I discount it any more than $199, it's fucking free. So, well, looks like the magic 8 ball might be right. There you go. Chop Chop City. Good time to walk away here and get ready for Thanksgiving, I guess, because it's just not happening right now. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 829 likes. Can we get 1,000 likes here on the stream? I think so. Come on. If you already bought the course, you're gonna get access to the book and you'll get access to the webinar. Don't worry. That's how nice of a person I am. FOMC stream, no. It's FOMC minutes, it's not FOMC meeting. It won't, I mean, I don't think it's gonna be that big of a mover, but what, I might be wrong, who knows? So, Nasdaq just going nowhere. Mike Jones, what's the Friday sale? There's no sale. That's the whole point. Market don't go nowhere, so I gonna go somewhere. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. Don't worry, Alex. I got you, baby. I'll show you my big old red balls later on today. Don't you worry, my little friend. I'll show you everything, Alex. I'm gonna show you everything, Alex. All right, I'll see you guys later on. Check out the video later on today. It's gonna be a good one. Make sure you stay tuned. Peace to the Middle East.